Once, there was a boy named Sam. Every day, Sam walked to school. On the way, he passed an old tree. The tree was very big and very old. One day, Sam saw trash under the tree. There were plastic bottles, papers, and bags. Sam said, "This place looks dirty," but he kept walking. The next day, he saw more trash. Again, he said, "Someone should clean this." But he did nothing. A week later, the place looked terrible. The grass was covered with garbage. The tree looked sad. An old man was sitting nearby. He asked Sam, "Why are you looking at the tree?" Sam said, "Because it is dirty." The old man smiled. He asked, "Who will clean it?" Sam answered, "I don't know. Maybe the city workers." The old man picked up one bottle, then he put it in a trash bin. He said, "Big changes start with small actions." Sam thought about these words. The next day, he brought a small bag. He picked up some trash. It took only 10 minutes. The day after that, he did the same. A few people saw him. Soon, 2 children joined him. Then more people helped. After a month, the place was clean again. The grass was green. The tree looked beautiful. The old man saw Sam and smiled. Sam said, "Now I understand." The old man asked, "What do you understand?" Sam replied, "Waiting for others changes nothing. Action changes things." The old man nodded. From that day, Sam learned an important lesson. If everyone does a little, together they can do a lot. Moral of the story: don't wait for others to solve a problem. Start with a small action today.